Hi, welcome back to my channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction and Mind Power. My friend, in this video, you are going to learn how to become more lucky, attract more luck in your life, just using the power of your mind, visualization and self-hypnosis. My friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. Now, in this video, we are going to learn a very simple self-hypnosis technique, a visualization technique to program your mind to become more lucky and attract more luck in your life. Now, before we get to the hypnosis part, if you are the first time on my website, first time on my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. I have more than 950 videos right now on the YouTube channel. A lot of powerful videos available. So if you really want to learn hypnosis, mind power, law of attraction, please watch those videos. Now, to use this technique, you need to close your eyes. So make sure you are not driving a vehicle or operating a machine. If you are doing that, stop the video, don't listen to it. Now, if you already know self-hypnosis, you can use self-hypnosis in this video. Otherwise, I'll guide you into a shorter version of self-hypnosis, and then I'll help you guide you visualize some certain things. The better you visualize, the faster the result you get. Better you visualize, the faster you get the result. So now, my friend, are you ready? Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Close your eyes now. And as you close your eyes, deeply relax. Take another deep breath now. And as you exhale, relax more deeply now. Feel a wave of relaxation coming down from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Very, very deeply relaxed. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Now going to count from 10 to 0. With each and every descending number, double your relaxation. 10, going deeper and deeper, getting more and more relaxed. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. And now, take another deep breath. And this time when exhale, relax more deeply now. And now, pretend. And now, pretend you are at a carnival. You see the name as you enter Carnival of Life. Carnival of Life. And as you enter, place this imagination in your mind. Imagine, believe and pretend that you win at every game there. You win at every game there, every game you try. Every game you try. And now you look at the date on a nearby calendar. It reads tomorrow's date. Now imagine that you leave the carnival loaded with lucky prizes and notice the sign again as you leave Carnival of Life. And again look at the calendar, it reads tomorrow's date. Visualize this in your mind and then remain quiet for a while. That's right. I want you to play this mental movie every day. The more you use it, the more powerful it becomes. And your mind will be focused on becoming more lucky, winning more prizes. Now, once you feel lucky, it is not only the prizes, it is in your life. You start meeting right people, right opportunities. You are opening up in your mind to become more lucky. This is a powerful visualization. Use it right now. Watch this video or listen to this programming every day. And each day you'll find that you are becoming more and more lucky. You attract more and more luck in your life. And now I'm going to count from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, open your eyes, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. 1. Feel the energy coming to your body from all directions. 2. Become aware of your surroundings. And 3. Open your eyes. If you're sitting on a chair, get up, walk around, look around. And now, my friend, I want you to watch this video because your eyes will be closed. So listen to the audio and practice every day, twice a day, better, for the next 21 days. And you'll find each and every day, initially you will feel little lucky, then more and more luck will come to you. Because you're programming your mind and then you send out the positive vibration out and you feel differently every time you use this technique. So practice this right now, and when you really start getting some good results, please put on the comment, like and share the video. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification button to get notified every time you upload a new video. Now if you want to attend my hypnosis workshop, we conduct a workshop in Hyderabad. If you really want to attend it, at the time of watching this video, click on the link below. If you find the workshop happening, register immediately, and we're looking forward to seeing you personally soon. Wish you all the success and thank you very much.